And si Dragon Fruits mag-iwan ng bakas. Thank you, Cosidons. Pagkatapos ng premiere. Nabisi si ako si Dons. Sige lang, work ka muna dyan. Yeah, sis Amy, just leave a comment. But leave a comment according to the videos, ha? Sis Amy, don't leave comments to their video. Thumbs up, what do we call this? Like, don't put like, don't put waiting, don't put done connected, okay? You can leave a comments according to their video, okay, Sis Amy? What? Sis Sunrise, sa highlights from Sis Christy. Thank you, Sis Christy. Oh my Lord, you sent your son to save us, oh my Lord. You barely sent to give us, oh my Lord. Then save and out and save us and love me reigns once more. Oh my Lord, and in the country coming, oh my Lord. A golden head of prophet, oh my Lord. They got it all around him to see it and adore. Oh my Lord, you've got a generation, oh my Lord. They came with jubilation, oh my Lord. And full of adoration, they realized what they had. Hello, si Sally. Big love shout out. Good evening sa iyo dyan. Say Merry Christmas po. Merry Christmas to, si Sally. Good evening, good evening. Merry Christmas po sa lahat, sabi ni si Sally. Yeah, bukas, disperas na, Christmas na sa Wednesday. Katbil Vlog, may galap shout out from si Sally. Yan, thank you so much everyone. Merry Christmas. Dan po sa nakapin from Sir Nelson. Sis Rose, thank you Sis Rose. Harang po, thank you so much sa paharang. Enjoy po ang bawat isa. Christmas na po. Malapit na, year 2025. Thank you, Sir Prometheus. Thank you so much. Please connect to the one I pin. Thank you so much. Watching, Sis Berna. Sa OTW to Manila. Sabi ni